Lesson 7 homework question number 13. Use the appropriate functions in Excel to answer the following questions. How much would your monthly payment be on a 4-year loan if the following assumptions were true? You borrowed $6,000. The fixed APR on the loan is 5.1%. Note, a fixed APR is an annual interest rate that does not change during the 4-year period. You will make equal monthly payments to repay both the loan amount and the monthly interest charges. You want to completely pay off the loan in exactly 4 years. Over here on the right, I've gleaned some of our information of the loan being $6,000, the year's 4, and the APR is 5.1. So to find the payment, we can just use the built-in Excel function payment, or PMT. Opening the parenthesis will prompt you as to what to type in. So the first thing we want is rate, and since I have it typed here, I'm just going to go ahead and cell reference the rate. Now I'm going to be making monthly payments, so I need to divide this by 12, comma. The number of periods here will be 12 times every year, or 12 months in a year, times 4 years, comma. The present value of the loan is $6,000. Comma. The future value will be 0, so I can type in 0, but because Excel already knows that it's going to be going to 0, if you don't put anything in there, you can leave it blank. Both of these that are in the brackets here are optional. You do not have to put them in for it to calculate. The type here is a 0 or a 1 referencing the beginning of the month or the end of the month. We aren't worrying about that in this class, and so don't put anything in there and it'll still calculate. I can close the parenthesis, or I can just leave it and Excel will automatically close it for me, and that gives me my payment. So I'm going to type in, rounding to the nearest cent, and don't put in the negative sign, $138.45. The next one, what is the total amount that you would pay to the bank over this 4-year period? Since I'm paying $138.45 every month for 4 years, to find that total amount, I take what I'm paying, times it by 12 months that I pay every month in the year, and then times it by 4 years will tell me how much I end up paying for the entire period of the loan. So this is $6,645.49. Rounding to the nearest cent, and don't include the negative. The last one is, how much interest would you have paid to the bank? Since I have $6,000 was the loan, $6,645.49 is how much I paid. I can subtract those, and it gives me $645.49 that I pay back to the bank in interest. So $645.49. I could also calculate that over here by subtracting the 2. Since this is already negative, I can actually just add the 2 and it'll give me the difference because one's negative and one is positive. If you feel more comfortable making this one positive and then subtracting this, you can do that as well. I rounded to the nearest cent, and I didn't include the negative sign. Everything looks good. We can verify with how did I do and look for the green check marks and move on to the next problem.